Hello and welcome to Memory at Lightning Speed. Here's my present for you. I'm the Permanent Memory Sphere author Achimllemke, and I'd like to take you to an electrifying paradigm shift of memory excellence. This is Introduction Part 1, Learning Appropriate to the Brain. It is our diverse memories and emotions that make us who we are, and it guides us. Everything we do or say includes our mind and feelings. The level of self-confidence we have inside is central to the way we live. Training your memory and dealing with your sensations will enrich you with priceless mental assets. Communicate successfully, coordinate with people, organize and shape your time, expand your creativity and imagination, prepare and save information, assignment of orders and the execution of specific tasks, turn visions into a positive result. Since I do it myself, I know it has worked for me. I'm so fired up about this. Power recall works. It doesn't let me forget anything and makes me unforgettable. Our goal here is for you to have no fear of exams or giving free speeches. All of us have to deal with new information every day. Names, numbers, facts, ideas, procedures, dates. By investing time in the development of your power recall, you could start working on memorizing any kind of information with joy and a lot of fun. Learning is play. Thank you for listening. I see you in the course. Next, click on video 2. I see you there. Bye for now.